kinds of lending facility stands for 6 marks. Here, in the types of lending facility, types are classified into 4 types: loans, overdraft, cash credit, and letter of credit. Now coming to first type, loans. In the loans are classified into 3 types: short term, medium term, long term loan. Here short term loan refers to if the loan is held for a period of less than 1 year, then the loan will be considered as short term loan. Medium term loan, if the loan is considered to be held for 1 year to 5 years, then such loan will be classified as medium term loan. Last one is long term loan. If the loan is held for a period of more than 5 years, then such loan will be treated as long term loan. Usually the bank will provide advances. The bank will provide loans to the customer by receiving the collaterals. For all the 3 kinds of loans, the bank will receive collaterals and the bank will issue the amount in the form of loan. And the interest rate will vary for short term, medium term and long term. Now, here next one is overdraft. Overdraft is a facility which is provided by the banker to the current account holders. This facility is available only to the current account holders, provided even though they do not have sufficient balance in their account, even though the customers can able to withdraw the amount. And usually the range of overdraft will be up to 90 days. Up to 90 days. Within 90 days, along with the principal amount plus interest, they have to repay back to the banker. Now, cash credit. Cash credit is a short-term facility which is provided by the banker to the business holders for short-term duration. Now we will find overdraft is also for short-term purpose, cash credit is also for short-term purpose. Now we will find the differences. Overdraft facility is available for individuals and business purpose, whereas cash credit, this facility is available only for the business purpose only. It is not available for the individuals. Now, both overdraft as well as cash credit, it is both meant for short term purpose. Third difference is the range of overdraft. The amount of overdraft is up to 80% of FD or LIC. Suppose me being a customer of State Bank of India, if I have a FD over a worth of 1 lakh, then I will get a overdraft facility of rupees 80,000. Or if I have a LIC premium, I can produce a LIC document and I can claim OD facility. Then if I produce a collateral, if I get a OD, then it will be considered as secured overdraft. Without submitting any kind of collateral, if I receive a loan in the form of overdraft, then it will be considered as unsecured. Here, the range of cash credit is for 50 to 60% of inventory. Meaning, if I have a stock of 1 lakh, I will get a cash credit a worth of rupees 50 to 60,000. Next, overdraft is advantageous to customer, whereas cash credit is also advantageous to customer. Let me elaborate on cash credit. See, if I want to manufacture a solar panel, usually it takes 1 to 15 days. After manufacturing, if I sold into the market for my customers, it will take around 10 days. Why 10 days? To make repayment. Customer will take 10 days of time to make me repayment. Here 15 plus 10 days, 25 days.